Hi everyone! Welcome back to Technic Force Learning. This video is about why is TikTok so popular? Let's get started. Musicality was a popular short-form 15 seconds video streaming and sharing app with over 100 million users. Up until August 2018, the app allowed users a plethora of music and dialogue options, with which they could lip-sync and make funny or entertaining videos. The app was wildly popular, with some content creators rising to the Hall of Fame based on their engaging content on musicality. The users shared musicality videos on social media platforms like Instagram, further driving the app's popularity. However, in August 2018, the app was taken over by a Chinese company, ByteDance, and its users were moved to TikTok. All of the content and accounts that were present on musicality were automatically transferred to the new TikTok app. So what is TikTok? TikTok is a short-form video sharing app that allows users to create and share 15-second videos on any topic. TikTok maintains a separate app for Chinese market, known as Douyin, which has over 300 million active monthly users. The app's logo is a combination of musicality and Douyin logos. How it differs from musicality. The TikTok app is based on the same short-form video concept but is much broader in scope, and unlike musicality, it does not only focus on lip-syncing to music. The TikTok app offers users a wide selection of sounds and song snippets, along with the option to add special effects and filters. There is also an option to directly add videos created on your phone. In September, TikTok added the reactions feature, which allows users to record their reactions to videos and share. TikTok has also added a digital well-being feature that alerts users when they spend over 2 hours on the app. The new app is being promoted as a video-sharing social network. TikTok users can create a variety of videos ranging from challenges, dance videos, magic tricks, and funny videos. The key differentiating factor between musicality and TikTok is that the latter has much broader scope for video creation. How it rose to popularity. Since its launch, the TikTok app's popularity has been growing tremendously. In October 2018, it was the most downloaded photo and video app in the Apple Store globally. The app reportedly has amassed over 500 million monthly active users, the US being the most popular country where it has been downloaded over 80 million times. Some of the key reasons behind the TikTok app's surge in popularity are celebrity endorsements. The app is liked and used by several celebrities, such as Jimmy Fallon, who helped drive the app's popularity. The app has paid partnerships with several celebrities in various regions who promote the app to local audiences. Jimmy Fallon's interest in the app started naturally, but was later capitalized on by the app through a paid partnership. In November 2018, Jimmy Fallon started the challenges section on his show and used TikTok as a platform for the challenge. He urged his viewers to take on the tumbleweed challenge and post videos on TikTok of themselves rolling like a tumbleweed. The TV host himself took the challenge to kickstart the trend. The challenge went viral and gathered over 8,000 entries and 10.4 million engagements within a week. The TikTok app also has celebrity partnerships in other regions. Celebrity partnerships have been a key tactic in TikTok's geographical expansion strategy. The app uses celebrities and influencers to drive buzz around the platform and generate viral content. These celebrities not only post content on TikTok but also promote TikTok on other social media channels. For example, Indian celebrity Ashika promoted the TikTok app on Instagram. Apart from paid partnerships, the brand also benefits from popular social influencers and celebrities who use the platform. These celebrities help bring in their followers to TikTok app. Next is localized content. Other key driving factor in TikTok app's popularity is the fact that despite being a global app, it has a strong focus on localized content. The app often runs local contests and challenges and captures on local trends through the use of localized hashtags. TikTok runs the 1 million audition contest across several countries separately. For each contest, participants are given themes to create videos, and then the top video creators are awarded. This contest not only leads to the creation of thousands of local videos where it is held, but also helps TikTok creators gain recognitions and followers. The app also uses local trending hashtags to suggest topics for content creations to its users. This helps the app capitalize on local trends and generate viral content for the platform. For example, Seaweed Dance was a fun video type that went viral in China. Tens of thousands of TikTok users created a video on this theme. TikTok also spends personalized recommendations to each of its users. This ensures that TikTok users are always updated on the latest trending videos and are never out of ideas for video creation. Using these techniques, TikTok has been able to pull off localization on a global scale. Next, easy content creation, sharing, and viewing. The TikTok app has simplified video creation and sharing and taking it to the next level. All users have to do is record anything and everything from their daily routines and post it instantly. Due to the short format, neither the video creation nor the watching process takes much time or effort. Additionally, this short-form video content is played as soon as the user opens the app. The video starts playing one by one, and a viewer gets lost in the sea of fun, entertaining, and addictive video content. Next, how can brands leverage TikTok? TikTok does not have any space for traditional display ads, and is not even in competition with other social media platforms in terms of it being a marketing channel. However, due to its fast-growing and rising popularity, many brands are now realizing the potential of TikTok as a marketing channel. Several brands have utilized techniques like TikTok challenges and contests to get users to generate brand-related content. Brands are also leveraging hashtags in a more or less similar fashion as on other social media platforms to promote their TikTok marketing campaigns. Take, for example, Guess Brand's #InMyDenim campaign. On September 1st of 2018, the Guess brand took over TikTok and invited all US-based TikTok users to their #InMyDenim challenge. The contest urged users to create video content wearing denim. This was the start of TikTok's brand partnership in the US. Another way which brands can use TikTok is to collaborate with TikTok celebrities to create brand-specific promotional content. This will be similar to any other influencer collaboration, just with a 15-second TikTok video format. In a nutshell, TikTok is fun, entertaining, and addictive app which has seen a surge in popularity in the last few months. The TikTok app also has the potential to become the next big marketing and social networking platform. However, how the app creators leverage this potential and maintain the current popularity of the app has yet to be seen. So, if I may ask, what type of TikTok content are you addicted to? Share it on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that you can get success from Facebook marketing without spending for every sale or lead? It's a complete marketing automation from sourcing content to posting. You can find content that works, real organic reach, 100% automation, schedule weeks of content in one go, and works on any computer or smartphone, and keep fresh content flowing forever. Introducing Viral Reach by Technic Force. It's an autopilot content marketing that profits for your brand. Viral Reach is your complete Facebook marketing solution where you can find and post images, videos, articles, find and post original content, post content for weeks or months, and monitor what gives engagement and growth. It's time for you to get traffic and reach easily. So try Viral Reach now. Go to getviralreach.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.